What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Funke Aware. If this is your first time stopping by, you're welcome. If this isn't your first time stopping by, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe already, like hit that bell button. Don't just subscribe, also hit the bell button so you get every notification of all my new videos, because I mean, if you just click the subscribe button, you might not get notification every single time I upload a video, but if you hit the bell button as well, then you get notified every single time I drop a video. Okay guys, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. There's really no point doing any intro to this video, because just as the title says, this video is an unboxing video. Ooh, my first unboxing video, guys. And yeah, I'm really excited because because this is a PR package. Basically, I joined the Sigma family. I am so excited. Like, I've been meaning to do this video. I haven't even touched anything. I received this about a month ago, yeah, but I've been really busy with a bunch of stuff and I've been all over the place, so I haven't been able to sit down and just unbox. I wouldn't say I haven't put on makeup since I received this. I mean, there have been a couple of times I wish I would have been able to use a couple stuff in this box, but I mean, I wanted to show you guys a proper unboxing video, when I haven't touched anything from it. You know what I mean? Yeah guys, so that's what we're doing today. My package from Sigma Beauty. This is how it came. Let me just zoom my camera back a bit. What am I doing? First of all, this is how it came. It came with a pamphlet, and this pamphlet has like all their information on all the products that they sell: brushes, lipsticks, eyeshadows, and whatnot. That's what's in here. Also a note was in it. It says Funke Aware, welcome to the Sigma family. Yay. Focus. Okay, so the note was also inside. Next we have the brush cleaning mat. I also received this from the sister brand, which is Practk, but it was a really little one, so I'm really excited about this because this one is bigger. I could use all my foundation brushes and everything with this one, and yeah, I like this. I'm excited about that. Next we have the shampoo, the brush cleaning shampoo, which is this. I'm just going to open it so you see how it looks inside. So this is how it looks. It's a whole lot. I'm really excited about this because I mean, I don't own anything like this, so I'm excited about this. Next we have brushes and a beauty blender. I'm really excited about this beauty blender because of the shape. So yeah, that's that. And also I think I should take out the beauty blender so you guys see what I'm talking about. I really don't want this video to be too long because I'm also going to talk about how I got to receive these. I mean, I'm not special or anything. They didn't reach out to me. Of course, I reached out to them and everything, but yeah, I'm gonna get to that part, so make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm gonna talk more on how I was able to receive this package, and basically how I get PR packages and all. So yeah, this is how the beauty blender looks. It's really the beauty sponge, I mean. Everybody calls it beauty blender. It's a brand anyway. Yeah, look at that. It has this sharp edge, so you can just do them them reverse contour. But yeah, so next guys is this brush, foundation brush. Is the F80 flat Kabuki brush. F80 flat Kabuki. Let me just open it real quick and show you guys how it looks inside. You just pull it like that, and here we go. the brush. I love how it feels. It's like really dense, and as well at the same time it's like full and, you know, not too fluffy. It's really dense and I like it. I can't wait to use it. It's the F80 flat Kabuki brush, like I said. Next we have another brush, which is the F37 Spotlight Duster. That's what it's called. I'm going to show you guys how it looks inside. I've never even opened this one before, so it's like sealed, so just give me some time, which sometimes is going to be like 2 seconds for you guys. See, this is how the Spotlight Duster brush looks on me. Very easy for, you know, dusting off your setting powder and whatnot. So yeah, next we have the E60 Large Shader. I think this is an eye brush. This is definitely okay. I've been showing you guys this. It has information on every single use of the brush on the back of the brush, so you know that you want to get this. You know you need this. You know you need to get this. I mean, if you're a beginner and you have no idea what you're doing, you have no idea what brush is for what brush, then you definitely need to shop from Sigma Beauty, because you get all the information on every single use of all the brushes. And you know what, I have a discount code, so just go down and check the description below and you're gonna get like a link and also a discount code for, you know, some money off. Don't say I never did nothing for you guys. So yeah, basically this brush is the function is uniformly covers the entire lid with products, and also is firm, is large, and it has a flat head. It also gives information on how to use it, not just the function. So you need to get this, guys. So guys, we are done with the brushes. I only received three brushes and 1 beauty sponge. So next, guys, is Sigma liquid pen liner. It's in the shade Wicked Black. So yeah, I'm excited about that as well.
We have a mascara.
I've opened this before and it has like a really small wand, so that's really good. We have an eyeshadow base as well. Looks like that. I'm not really big on eyeshadow bases. I just use concealer, but I'm gonna try that and see how it works. Next, guys, we have the warm neutral palette. Like, I am, anybody that knows me knows that I might be, you know, big on dramatic lashes, you know, contact lenses and all that, but I really love simple eye looks. And I mean, what says simple than, you know, neutral shades? I mean, look at these colors, guys. Now look at that, look at these colors, guys. Just look at the colors. Every single color is like bomb. They're all warm shades, and it also has a mirror, which I love. And at the same time, guys, it's so cute and small. You can take this everywhere with you. I think everybody needs this palette. Everybody should have this palette in their makeup, you know, kit. Like, I love that it says Sigma right here. I really love these.
When I use it, it's like really annoying. Really annoying. Okay, guys, we have one more thing.
The last but not least is this powder, this Sigma, you know, compact. It says powder, but basically it's a blush. I really love this packaging, guys. I love this. Can you see that? Like, can you see that, guys? Can you see that? I love it, guys. And wait, look at that blush. I'm not really sure I'm going to like, you know, this blush on my skin tone, but I might try it on someone else's, or I might just, you know, add it to my giveaway items. That's gonna come up soon, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be strictly for YouTube, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, guys, that's basically it for this unboxing. I'm done, you know, showing you guys everything that was inside this package. And yeah guys, I got this package just simply by applying to their affiliate program. I reached out to them, you know. I'm gonna put down a template for, like, you know, a composed email in my description section for like anyone that has issues on how to reach out to brands. You don't know what to say, especially, you know, this, you know, international brands. I'm from Nigeria and I live in Nigeria. I mean, Nigerian brands, they don't need too much wahala. You don't even have to reach out to most of them. If they like your work, they see you that you're doing well, and you know your aesthetics, everything is just, you know, popping and all, they're going to reach out to you. They're going to want to work with you. They're going to want to send you products to advertise for. This is a given. This is something. They need you. They need you. They actually need you. They need us. Basically, they need us. So they're going to reach out to you. But these other bigger brands, huge brands, they have like 1,000,000,001 beauty influencers and beauty bloggers and all that. They're not going to reach out to you. I'm not saying they won't reach out to anybody. There are people out there that might have been reached out, that might have gotten emails from Sigma Beauty, you know, without even reaching out to them. You know, there are people that are like that. But I mean, for we smaller bloggers and smaller influencers, this is why I made this video, because I mean, I am nowhere close to, you know, where I want to be yet. I'm not even anywhere there yet. I literally just started. So if you're like me and you know you're just starting this whole beauty influencing world and you do not know what to do, you don't know where to start from, just work on yourself. First of all, work on yourself, work on your page, work on your platform, work on your brand, basically, because at the end of the day, you are a brand. I mean, you want to work on your brand, work on yourself, work on your Instagram. If you're focusing mainly on Instagram, work on your Instagram page. Make sure you're consistent. I know everybody says consistency, but yes, at some point, even if all these beauty influencers you see are not really consistent, right, at some point they were very consistent and they got to a point, and that's why people reach out to them. That's why brands reach out to them and like, oh, I want to send you this, I want to send you that. But bigger brands like Sigma Beauty, you know, Anastasia, Beverly Hills, you know, others. Let me not even say Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Let me say Sigma Beauty, Makeup Revolution, you know, NYX, NYX, Milani, Maybelline, you know, brands like that. They certainly may not reach out. They will definitely, they're not like huge, you know, big old expensive brands. They're really affordable brands, but they are actually huge. They are also huge, so they're not going to reach out to you. You're just starting. But that doesn't mean that they don't have a program for, you know, people like you. That was what I did. I reached out to them, Sigma Beauty in particular. I reached out to them and they sent me a link on how to apply to their program, and I applied and I got in. I got accepted, joined the family, you know. So I'm not saying that after you watch this video now you're just gonna go and apply and they're going to accept you. No, you need to work on your page. When you get to a certain point, even you in your heart, you will know that yes, I've gotten to a point that yes, I'm ready to show off. You know, I'm ready to show my stunt. I'm ready to, you know, put myself out there and reach out. I'm ready to start reaching out to these brands. I mean, I've reached out to a bunch of brands and not every single brand is going to reply you. Not every single brand is going to, they're going to reply you, but not every single brand is going to accept and be like, okay, send me your address and this and that, I'm going to send you. Not every brand is going to do that. Don't think about it. Just focus on yourself. Don't let that stop you, or don't let that bring you down and feel like, oh, I'm not doing this thing right. Whatever you're doing, as long as you have the passion for it, just keep doing that thing. You will get to that point that somebody is going to reach out to you. Definitely, there's so many brands now. There's so many brands, beauty brands. If you're in Nigeria like me, there's so many Nigerian brands that are looking for beauty bloggers. Even if you don't have up to 2,000 followers, if it's just 1,000, they are looking for you. They're looking for beauty bloggers to work with because they need that exposure. They need you. They're even supposed to be paying, but I mean, they wouldn't do that because, you know, you don't have 50,000 subscribers. Let's not even go there. Let's not even go there. Anyway, so yes, my point is, even if you don't get accepted by Sigma Beauty, that doesn't mean other brands are not going to reach out to you on their own. You don't even have to reach out to the brands, are going to reach out to you. And when you start getting brands, when you start seeing you know, when you start seeing that brands are reaching out to you, start feeling yourself like, okay, I think it's time for me to start reaching out to this other huge brands, and let's just see. You don't have anything to lose, you have nothing to lose, so just put yourself out there. That was what I did when I felt like, okay, I was ready. I started reaching out to brands. Every information I needed, I found it here. Basically, guys, that's all you need to do. Work on yourself, work on your Instagram page. If it's your YouTube, work on your YouTube page. Just put yourself out there. And you know, and also don't try to be what you are not, just be you. And these brands are going to see it and they're going to like it, they're going to want to work with you. So once you start getting that recognition from, you know, indie brands and small brands, when you start getting recognition like, you know that you are ready to start putting yourself out there. That is when this template that is when this template that I'm going to put down in my description section, that is when this template comes together. That is when you need it, and just, you know, just basically sell yourself. That's basically what it is. That's basically what it means. Just sell yourself. Template is basically like a guideline for you. You can still add a little more, you know, to just pizzazz everything. You know, sell yourself. I keep saying that, sell yourself to these brands. Let them know. You know, I'm not saying you should lie, you just, you know, sell yourself and be honest, because, you know, honesty will get you everywhere. Anyway, so guys, so that's it. I'm just going to leave down every information, anything that I forgot to put to say in this video, I'm going to put down in the description section. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. So guys, let me know in the comment section if you like to see more videos like this, you know. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That's it for this video, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.